Okay, Nirmala, we can close rooms. I think Sachini, be comfortable for today. It's okay. Buddha. මොකක් හරි signal issue එකක් වෙන්නේ නැති ඔයාව room එකකට allocate කරන්න විදියක් නැති උනේ. Nirmala, can you hear?
Oh, sir.
Okay. ගන්න කට්ටියව rooms close කරන්න. Sachin, you stay, okay?
Yes, sir.
You just stay, okay? It's okay. Right? You just stay. It's okay. What are the room එකකට යන්න බැරි උනානේ? ඈ?
Sir.
Yes, good. Okay, we are taking you all to the main hall. Oh, such okay, that. That's a good one. See how right? How I mean interest. That's good.
No, the thing is,
Gathering elite, not interested.
Sun is having practices.
Gathering elevela. Gathering elevela.
Practices today, so I have to wait.
But Kai is more comfortable here and
Very comfortable and very silent. So
very true. No disturbance at all.
No disturbance at all. That's the main.
Yeah, sometimes even now, even I do the same thing. It's very easy rather going to the office, right? On the way, sometimes I do park somewhere and just join the meeting. It's easy, so comfortable.
But make sure whether the coverage is there. Otherwise, last week also I got caught because there's a meeting. So after last 20 minutes, I wasn't there because coverage issues. So
that concern is there. Here, of course, no that much of a concern. The Colombo, of course. You're from Eastern, no?
No, I'm from Kandy.
You're from Kandy. Kandy, of course, extent there, no? East. Samsudin from
East, yeah.
You're from Eastern, no? How is
Yeah.
He's
Okay,
from
that
Eastern,
is
but
okay.
he's in upcountry. He's in Hatton now.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. Right, Chandana, you all ready?
Yes.
Good. Superb. So who is going to talk about it? Who is going to
Ashoka will talk.
Huh?
Ashok. Room. Yeah.
In our team, Ashoka will talk.
Okay.
I'll
Ashok
support.
Ekanayaka neda?
Yes. Sir.
Okay, I'm going to take Ashok. Wait, Anit room ke kauda? In Siraj, who is going to present? Soinash, give me 1 minute. Soinash, I'm going to take you to the main screen. Wait. Spotlight. Okay. So in the other room, who else? Who was there? Mekala. Yes, Mekala, I'm taking you to the spotlight, right? Are there anyone else? Any other groups? No group එකක් තිබ්බ නේද? Anyone else? Right. එතන තුන් දෙනෙක් present කරනවා. So Soinash, we need to see. Mekala, we need to see. Right? නැත්තම් මේ පේන්නේ නැහැ කවුරුවත්. ඈ දැන් අඩුම ගන්න ඉන්න කට්ටියවත් දැනගන්නේ නේ. So Mekala, we need to see you, Puta. You have to present now. We need to see you. Mekala ඇහෙනව නේද? Okay, good. Soinash, we need to see you. So you three are the leaders in this group. Others are supporting. Others also in the screen now. You all can see them also, which is very good. You all did the very first team activity, right? Make activities godak yanawa. Case studies yanawa issarahata. So activities ekka, then you all also get to know each other. Then you can do it. So Soinash, you also need to switch on the camera now in a while. Right? Who is going to present? Shall we tell Mekala to present? Mekala, you are working or what? You're working or university? You're muted, Puta.
University, sir.
Your university. Okay. Now let's see the Mekala's presentation now. Okay, Mekala, what is your finding? Okay, so Anish doesn't have the camera. That is okay, Puta. Then you can join with audio. Okay. Talk about your team, how the HITIA team make it, and right, present whatever the findings you all had.
Okay. We are group number 3. Samira and myself are the members. So in here, we discuss about what are the factors that influencing to consumer and consumer buying decision and business buying decision. Separately, when it comes to consumer buying decision, income, age, culture, occupation, knowledge that a person have, and attitude of that person, family background, social class, influence his or her buying decision. When it comes to businesses, brand, suppliers policies, technological aspect, pricing policies, strategies and processes that organization use already, and capacity of that organization, financial stability and income of that organization, and company status in competitive market, and rule and regulation of company, as well as government regulation like tax policies. Yeah, that's it, sir, from our side.
Okay, very good. You all have done a good study. Super, right? So, I mean, you have identified many points, right? You have identified many points from your side, right? Which is really good to, I mean, which we really see in both consumer and the business market, which we really need in there. Super, very good, right? So now we'll look at Ashok and the team. Ashok, who was there in your team, and right?
In our team, Kalanka and Sandhana was there, and myself. Then we found this summarized point when we talk about influencing consumer buying decisions. Actually, family income, like affordability, is depend. Then other thing is brand loyalty, and quality of and also appearance of the product, and also sometimes personal interest of the product. Experience. Persons are more into product with past experience. Then other thing, the accessibility, where we can easily buy, like that. Then also lifestyle also depend to select the product. Then when you move to buying decisions, it's depend on price, and also the quantity and quality, and also quality, the features of the product, and also the same as previous past experience also influencing to select the product. And management influence, and after sales service and availability of spares, and another point is number of first involvement to select the product. Sometimes when company is running with individual person, he can quickly select, but it depends on management change, and also availability of information like specifications and details also depend to select and also sometimes company policy. These are the points really.
Superb. So you all have identified both. I mean, like, product related factors, non-product related factors, the personal factors. So this is what we need to look at, because now in most of the cases what we see, people sometimes we make mistakes just by looking at only the product related things. Mistake exercise okay, I didn't cover that part yet because I wanted to basically take it from your side. So whatever we are planning to take, we are planning to discuss after this, you all have already come up. Now you all know, I mean, it's not only the product related factors. අපි ගොඩක් වෙලාවට කියන්නේ product එකේ feature එක, product එකේ price එක, product එකේ design එක, competitor එක්ක බැලුවාම so there are huge area like this. Right, super. Thank you, Ashok and the team. Right, now Sarnesh. Sarnesh, what about your side?
Yes, sir. Good morning. So we are
Yes, good morning, Buddha. Go ahead. We can't hear you, Buddha.
Good morning. So I'm representing room number 4. So we consist of Mr. Samsudeen, Mr. Siraj, and myself.
Okay.
So we take from the consumer side, we got personal status, cultural status, product benefits, roles and status, social side, quality and affordability, psychological status. So I think I added all. If not, Samsudeen, you could tell it. Yeah. Okay, if we take from the business side, environmental factors, profit margin, organizational factors, service after purchasing, credit period, technological factors, understanding the buyers empathetically to penetrate their buying decisions. Okay, thank you.
Okay, super. What is the last point you said, Sarnash? Understanding?
The buyers empathetically.
Okay, you are talking about neuroscience. Super. Right. Wow. So these are the experiences. Okay, now these are the things which go beyond the theoretical perspectives, right? These are the things that we really capture more than what you learn from the textbooks, my dear friends. Now, see, neuroscience, I mean, empathetically, we are capturing, getting into the mindset of the consumer, in the sense, the buyer, in the sense you're talking about your personal connections, the neuroscience connectivity with the buyer and the seller. So, which we talk about in the psychological condition and the relationship level improvement when you talk about. So it's super. Now there are many factors. Now you all identified not only the product related factors that are influencing the buying decision. There are so many other factors. So salespeople, most of the time, what we have seen, limiting themselves to, the product related factors. Don't be in there, because we need to make sure our sales team is focusing on non-product related factors. When non-product related factors තමයි ගොඩක් වෙලාවට copy කරන්න බැරි, duplicate කරන්න බැරි. Competitor ට ඕගොල්ලෝගේ personality එක ඕගොල්ලෝගේ product එක duplicate කරයි. ඕගොල්ලෝගේ product එකේ තියෙන features copy කරයි. ඕගොල්ලෝගේ product එකේ තියෙන designs copy කරයි. But competitor cannot duplicate your personality. Competitor duplicate your knowledge. Cannot duplicate the relationship you have with the client. So much of non-product related factors. So I mean, like the final team talks about how psychological, right? Y'all getting into the consumers type, or the business market. So those things are influencing not only the product related thing. So the whole objective, a part cover but the whole objective, I want to get practical inputs, because you guys are into a practical side, many of you, except very few, right? Most of you are into practical. So you have an idea about how these things are influencing. It's good. It's really good. We did the first group exercise, and everybody have done a wonderful job at the contribution, and only one girl, Sachini, couldn't allocate into group. Sachini, we will make sure that allocated next time into the group. Must be a technical error. The groups Yes, Sarnesh, go ahead.
I had to complete the sentence that buying decisions made to good and product selling, service selling, educational selling.
Buying decision
for goods and product selling, service service selling and educational selling.
Yes, right. Anyway, whatever, it can be a product, it can be a service, it can be a combination version, right? You're using all these factors. අපිට අර product එකට limit වෙච්ච දේවල් නෙමෙයි. Very good, something, right? I mean, Sanash, it's very good. So y'all have identified, not limiting to the product and the company and the features and all. Y'all have taken all these other areas which y'all can use in future to maximize the sale. Okay. Right, we did the first activity. Now it's 10:47. Before we start the next one, shall we take a quick break? 20 to 30 minutes break, and we'll meet up in 10:47. Anyone want to give any idea, any about the exercise? Are you all comfortable in? Because there are so much of activities are taking in this. Because we are working online, so we need to make sure we know everybody, right? And also we get connected. Team activities are there like that. So signal issues for the break when we'll try to avoid that also in future somehow. So all okay with these activities?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Jack.
Sir, I lost my connection. Can I present our team?
Yes. Okay, that's what I was wondering. Okay, who is this? Who was that?
I'm Dihani.
Dihani. Attiya කිව්වෙත් නෑ ඔයා හිටියේ කියලා. Yes, Dihani, go ahead.
My group members are myself and Indranil and Sampath.
Oh my God. 3. Okay.
We identify so many factors under influencing customer and business buying decision. When it comes under consumer buying decision, we identify lifestyle, occupation, family and friends, our preference and personality, economic situation, social class and status, and our beliefs and attitudes and age. Then under business buying decision, income, government rules and regulations, our personality, technology, cultural factors, education level, suppliers and other suppliers and consumers are the factors that we identify under business buying decision. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Superb, superb. Who was there in your team? So
Indranil and Sampath.
Indranil and Sampath. Okay, very good job. So y'all also have covered a huge spectrum of the factors. So that is the beauty, because y'all have not limited yourself only on the product related one. ඉතින් මෙන්න මෙතර තමයි මේ learning එක තියෙන්නේ. මොකද අපි move වෙනවා conventional ground එකෙන් එළියට. You have to go and think. Now you know how you being a person influence the buying. How you are the seller, right? Your activities are involving, your thinking involving, customers thinking involving, customers decision making power, his knowledge involve all this, right? Not only the product related kiyanaka. Now you all have a better idea. It's super, right? You all have done the group activity. Now we had, that's what I was wondering, groups හතරක් තිබ්බ එකක් missing වුණේ කොහොමද කියලා. I got shocked. කෝ ගියානේ වාගේ අනිත් දෙන්නවත් කිව්වේ නෑ ඔයා මිසින් වුණා කියලා ඉවරලා. ඔයාගේ අනිත් දෙන්න කිව්වේ නෑ සද්ද නැතුව හිටියා මිසින් වුණා කියලා. But anyway, you all also have done a good job. හා? කට්ටිය මිස් වුණාද? සම්පත් මිස් වුණාද? Okay, but anyway, you all have done a good job. Okay, so all 4 teams have done a good job. So we'll see in future also. So much of group activities will be there to make it right. So we'll continue after the break, guys. Then with that, now it's 50. Up 11:20 वल meet पे.
Okay.
Right. Okay, guys. All the best. We'll meet up. Continue the session. 11:15 to 20.